all of us to be free. And if we pursue non-violence, then the day for truth will prevail and we all will be free. So on behalf of the Tibetan people and all our friends here, I call on the international community that it is their responsibility to protect the human rights of all those who are suffering, and they must hold anyone violating the human rights to accountability. So the United Nations was founded to protect and advocate for the freedom of all. And if the United Nations today cannot do that, and if they only focus on the news that are trending in the world, then it does not matter whether there is the United Nations or not. The United Nations must stand up and protect the freedom of all here, including the southern Mongolians, Hong Kongers, Uyghurs, and Tibetans. So I can assure you that freedom and truth will prevail. So I'd like to say in Tibetan, truth will prevail. Phögalu.